This is what you call fast food. Mmm. Fresh ginger. Mmm.
What do you think about the fresh ginger?
Just so much different.
How?
It's not dry.
That's it?
It's not as it's not as strong. It doesn't have a strong flavor. It's very mild. Because you know how the one that's already dried up, it has a little bit more. It's more potent. But with the fresh ginger, it's pretty mild. It's like
It's ironic. It's weird, right?
Mhm.
Why would it be milder?
Maybe because the acid's not there.
It's actually really. It's a lot easier to eat.
It's not as bitter like the dry one.
Here, take a bite.
Sure.
Here, take a real bite.
No, it's not bad.
Oh, it's really soft.
Mhm.
Like, no, really soft. It's spicy.
Yeah, but
Spicy. Don't kiss me with those greasy lips.
cartilage. I like this ginger.
No, I not ginger.
This pork belly.
I not pork belly.
Okay, I gotta go.
No.
One more bite. Love it.
Hmm.
I wish that time I could eat it with some pepper, but next time.